Separate integration between Hinawi and QuickBooks. Why does the customer need to separate the Hinawi and QuickBooks software? Firstly, to save working efforts. Because instead of working with two programs, the customer works with one. Second, accuracy. In the sense that working with one program, namely Hinawi, prevents the user from making entries in another program, namely QuickBooks, and therefore, when working with two programs, it won't be easy to match the numbers between them. Third, the characteristics of the Hinawi ERP. Hinawi ERP contains more features than the QuickBooks program, as it constantly keeps up with the local requirements of Middle Eastern companies, and the feature of an advanced setting module allows the admin to set company rules and policies. Fourth, save money. QuickBooks has become 2 or 3 times more expensive than the old prices. Users don't need to buy two pieces of software. Fifth, the QuickBooks policy. QuickBooks policy has changed so that direct communication has become very difficult, which has caused delays in supporting customers and thus stopped working for them. Aside from difficulties in installations become more complicated. Sixth, supporting the Hinawi ERP. We have constantly contacted our clients and provided them with excellent services for many years. It is rare to find such support like us. That is why we have customers who have remained loyal to us for 20 years. Moreover, we quickly understand customers' needs and work to meet their requirements. For these reasons, the separation process is very important.
Steps to separate Hinawi software from QuickBooks. In Hinawi ERP, we created an easy way to do the separation. But before starting the separation, the user has to compare the balances between Hinawi and QuickBooks as following options. Option 1. If all the balances match between Hinawi and QuickBooks, we can easily separate them from QuickBooks through our programmers free of charge, which will take a maximum of 1 hour. We don't need to take the data. We will do this by remote access only. Option 2. If balances are not matching in Hinawi and QuickBooks, but customer considered that Hinawi balances are correct, then we can do separation quickly as in option 1 free of charge. Option 3. If balances in QuickBooks are correct, then please see the below options. 01. We have to create free of charge a new file in Hinawi and import the lists with balances from QuickBooks without data history. OR. 02. We can import all the transactions as journal voucher from QuickBooks. Also, we need to import the inventory items and quantities. We have to charge for this. OR. 03. Users have to make reconcile balances between Hinawi and QuickBooks. Below steps will help the user to compare the balances between both software. Please follow the steps below. Kindly open Hinawi software, then go to Reports menu, then select Compare balances in Hinawi and QuickBooks. The menu has the following 3 reports, which will be used to compare the balances between Hinawi software and QuickBooks. Compare trial balance. Compare accounts receivable balances. Compare accounts payable balances. Compare the balance sheet.
The Hinawi software team is well known for highly professional services and responses in minutes. Finally, clients and interested prospective companies can have a trial version of the software to try themselves. Thank you for your time. Please contact us and share this video.